Cousin's first keeper. Proud of him.
I'm proud of you.
Hey, you gotta set the hook.
In the water?
What?
What is that? A real camera? Are you? That's messed up. Oh, I
So
thought
we're out here at the waterfront. I'm gonna have my cameraman hold the camera so I can show how to tie this snap swivel on. You got the other one.
Just throw that one in there.
When am I supposed to be shooting this?
So I got a slider right here, throwing that on. It's like a little straw, and just like that through.
That's a cheater.
This is the only knot I really use on there when I'm tying my stuff. So go through once, we go through twice. Again, go through, twist it around 4 times. And go through both loops or hoops. See right there. Pull it. And then you want to make sure you trim that excess.
Why?
This looks ugly. Then, when you're done fishing, just snap this on. Don't have to worry about no hook or anything, or weight. And then when you're ready to fish, just snap on a weight, or snap on a rig right there. Oh, shit. So that's what you don't want to do, folks. You see how she just crossed our cousin's line. So, yeah, good job.
I'm all the way over here.
So we're about to tie a hook. See if we can get these pliers open. Get these pliers open.
Just squeeze them.
Make sure you give yourself extra line.
Plenty of tag in. We'll go ahead and cut our leader. It's about 3 feet.
Yeah. It's about a yard.
Go through in through the point side of the hook.
Then you're gonna make a loop.
Make a loop and pinch it right at the eye.
Yep. And then you're gonna roll down.
It's about 7-8 times down the snell.
So wrap.
Through the good morning. Then you go through the eye of that loop you made.
And pull it up.
Pull the main in. Pull the tag in. Boom.
Flip both sides. Looks like just like the store. See that?
Yep. So when you set it, it'll flip it right into its mouth.
Trim that. I like to throw a little bead or two. Decoration.
Cover the knot.
I don't know about all that, but get you a barrel swivel.
Now we shorten it down to about a 2-foot leader.
Same thing, go through twice. Okay, 3 or 4 times. Do both. What you say this knot was?
That one's a trilene.
The knot. Is that what it's called?
That's a trilene knot.
Oh, okay. Well, that's the knot I've always used my whole life.
Okay.
Never had a knot. A name for it. Just, that's the knot. That's how you tie up. Then, you ready? Put it on your rig that you set up already. The snap swivel. Ready to go. So I like to use this. I mean, you can use this for anything, but this is, we use this with live bait. So when the fish, the weight's on the bottom, and it doesn't feel no tension. And the fish will just pick it up. Boom. Did you hit record? Okay. Open up your bell right here. We got a 4-ounce sinker. Always look for somebody walking. And I like to go about, I guess about halfway, I would say, for my weight and myself. And when I release, I usually look to release about right here. Oh shit. That's it. Always test the drag. Dave's caught a mud sucker. About to put that sucker on.
All right. Here. I'll let you go ahead.
They get slimy.
Oh yeah. Get some ice and rub my hands together. Wash them off.
There's the mud sucker right there.
So right in front of the fin, right in front of that back fin.
About halfway. Oh, just my. Oh. That way it can still swim. Okay. I want big though. There's dinner. There's dinner right there.
Oh yeah, we catching them up now.
Little ones are better because big, you gotta catch them big. Oh, that's good. We should have eaten it.
Actually, I'm
Just bringing it up a little bit.
Yeah, we're too close to the wall over here. Oh, you got him stuck in my bail? All right, and he's in the water. Now we wait for the strike to come through.
Wait for that striper. I want to say happy birthday to my dad. Just passed away. I got the shorts and the pants on like he used to wear.
Just like Uncle Talio.
So hopefully he brings us some good luck today.
Hopefully he brings us some good dinner. And cut.
Look at Dubs!
Oh, Dub's going on.
Woo! Lead him, lead him. Lead him. He's up.
Oh, you're good.
You might keep. Hey, go get my camera, shit.
I got it.
Is it on?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
It says green. It's red.
It's red.
Grab the leader, Cuz.
Woo!
That's 18. That's a keeper. That's dinner.
Look!
I got one.
Woo! Hold him up, hold the edge. Woo-hoo! Here, go bring it.
Me all cut at the same time.
Dang.
That's how they come through, like school.
Well, also,
That's a keeper.
This is
Tell
the
that
iffy.
keeper. That's a 15 on that one.
Oh, you need to get good pictures.
Yeah.
Hey,
That
Dave,
was
where's
a
your...
good one. That was a good one.
How many fish you catch? Two. How many you keep?
I got 3, 2 species, 1 mudsucker.
But hold up, you got to tell them the good news.
Oh, the good news was I caught my first keeper.
First keeper.
First keeper. That motherfucker gonna get fried tonight.
Two in the cooler right there, 22 inch and a 19 inch. Live bait right there, folks. He's swimming, dude. Oh, maybe not. No, he was swimming, wasn't he?
He was.
He was, but I don't know.
Just move him, swim him. Get some water in his lungs.
we can have Bernie's right here. Yep, live bait. No, there you go. He kicked his tail right
look,
there.
We got that live bait. That bait upside down. That's that fish that's upside down, huh?
We out here.
Interesting. That's like the best
You want
one.
small one?
Yeah.
This plate ain't making it inside, huh?
I guess.
Huh?
I just wanted to taste it.
You fixed it already?
Fruits of our labor today. Fishing. Let's get vamped.
It is good though, huh?
But you know what my mom said? So I told
If you would have dropped that, I would have.
I'll get a cutting board. We can do it on the table over there.
Oh yeah.
See the fish?
What about we try to see how long it is like the fishing channel?
Uh-huh.
Fishing channel.
We need gloves to pick up these fish.
No, you don't need no gloves. Just pick them up. They don't have sharp teeth.
Oh no, I'm doing it.
Oh,
One,
watch out, your brother's hand might be there. Be careful, okay? Hey!
Nope, no.
No, tell him.
What's under fish? We have to cut up the head and cut off the tail. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, we got cut. And then we have to have like one of the steak thingies and put it